So I'm gonna try and knit a sweater for this young bear made from plush yarn from Drops Flora. It's not the same yarn I used for my previous sweater. It was alpaca, but I'll try because it's similar. I want to use both colors, you'll see, and with the same size of knitting needles. And I'm gonna just film several parts and then edit into one video. It would be short, but I want to show that my knitting pattern for toy sweater is universal, because we just only need to take measurements and then make some calculations, and the process of knitting is the same. So let's try and see what I will get. So here are my calculations and measurements for this bigger bear made from plush yarn. And now I'm just gonna knit and I'll see what I will get next. And this is what I got. I decided to make it without the collar and without ripping on the sleeves and on the bottom of the sweater, and this turned out really cute and looks like a simple shirt, not just a sweater. And I'll see you how it fits the bear. I'll show you how it fits the bear. And this is how it fits. I think it looks really cute, and it reminds me more like a pajama shirt. I don't know. Hello. I like how the bottom of the sweater rolls up. And why did I decide to knit another sweater? To check if my knitting basic sweater pattern would be universal, and it turns out it is universal. Because I just took measurements of this bear, and it's bigger than my first bear that I used for making the sweater pattern. So just took measurements and redid calculations based on those measurements, and that's what I've got. I think it looks really nice, and I think that there are so many options you can create from just one basic pattern. And I think that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.